Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable the drag and fill feature on Excel. Okay, so first and foremost, enter the data or content you want to use for dragging JSON, and then fill the handle in a small square at the bottom of the corner in the right range where you have to select. And then once you're done with that, click hold and left mouse and fill the handle basically, then drag it vertically, horizontally across the cells where you want to fill the data with. And as you drag, a preview of data formula appears, and that's it. Once you've changed the drag, all you have to do is release the mouse button Excel, which automatically fills in the selected area of the particular drag. After releasing the mouse, you will see a small menu at the end, filled range. This menu allows you to choose between the files and the cells, whether you want to copy cells, fill the series, format only, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.